Alright, sorry for the last one. The last video was kind of pretty lost track of time. I should have did each thing in different steps, different videos. So anyways, the new Euro turn signals. Slip it through, put it in there. So what I really like about these things is that, since they're OEM, they just fit right in. Remember the clips. So the clip, which side is facing the signals is the side that has this little lip on top that's solid, versus the other side it's like 4 sections. In there, clip it in. You make it so easy. I'm really impressed with this clip-in system. My only concern about it is because it clipped into a rubber piece. That rubber piece, potentially over time, it will rubber degrades over time, right? So that will potentially break. That's one side. To the other side. It's in there. Put the clip in. So basically, the main difference between the front and rear signals is that the front signal, the cable, is shorter, and the rear signal, the cable is longer. So that's the difference right there. So if you try to use the front on the rear in the factory location, it's not going to fit because the wire's not long enough. And if you use the rear in the front, it'll fit, but the wire is so long that it's kind of a hassle. It's like, it's all in the way and everything, and it's just more a thicker bundle that's in the way. Let's see, I got that side in already. This in here. Side feeds in from, where does this side feed in from? I guess this side feeds in from this other side. It should fed in from top to the bottom. And I feed it in from the top. Looks like it's easier. Okay, that both goes in. This goes something like that. For the life of me, I can't remember if this headlight line was actually being held in by the zip tie or not. Anyways, let's clip these ones in. This goes in right here. That goes in right here. Like that. Yeah, I can't remember if this was clipped in or not, or it was in the zip tie or not. Was it in the zip tie or not? No? Something like that. Anyways, I'll leave it in the zip tie. If it's not, I just take it out. So, slip the zip tie through. Alright, so everything's in the way that should be. Alright, all this other stuff are tightened up. Let's see, what else do I have? So I need to mount the bracket, the bucket I should say. So screw through there. And the little nut, acorn nut. I call it acorn nut because it looks like an acorn. The side, nothing moves. Okay, that's 5mm. This over here is a 10mm. Alright. Okay, bolts are in, everything's good. Let's see. Go through everything again, make sure everything I have on proper before I put the headlight back on. Yeah, I think everything's good. Let's see, where's my headlight? So headlight. Alright, plug it in. Which one's the bottom? So that's the bottom. Headlights H4 bulb. Remember, there's a hook right here. So so the top has to go in first to hook onto this little part right here. Then you could push the rest in. See, it's all lined up. I feel resistance somewhere. I wonder if oh, you know what the resistance is? It's the zip. Excuse me, the zip tie right there. So yeah, I don't think I was supposed to have the headlight bracket zip tied. That's why I remember it wasn't zip tied. So usually when I like to take things apart and put things back together, I like to do it as soon as possible. Otherwise, I forget. Especially when there's a lot of stuff. Forget. Alright, let's leave that loose. Okay, that's in. Get in from the top. Okay, it's in smoothly. Everything looks good. Screws. These little socket head over here. Make sure that's lined up properly. A little bit of resistance. I think just needed to squeeze the bucket and the headlight closer together. Okay, tighten that up. Okay, so everything's tightened up. I don't have any extra nuts and bolts, so there it goes. Oh, look. So I did two things in one. I bought these brackets closer and smaller diameter, smaller turn signals, and also get rid of the pumpkin color and have the orange color in the bulb instead of the cover. That's how they look. Pretty good, huh?